Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Zapp application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. So let's find the icon and tap on it to open the Zapp application. Once the application opens, you should see the home page. Now you can tap on the profile icon right here. Then find the AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro on the list of my devices and tap on it to open the device page for your watch. Wait until the watch is done syncing with your phone, and once it's done, scroll all the way down, tap on the Unpair button, tap on Unpair, tap on Unpair, and wait. You will see the message saying unpaired successfully. Also, your watch will reset itself to the factory default settings. You can tap on Got It right here. Close the application, open the settings on your iPhone. In settings, find the Bluetooth option and tap on it. And here you should see AMAZFIT T-Rex Pro on the list of my devices. Tap on the info icon next to it and tap on Forget this device. And then tap on Forget device to confirm. And as you can see, it disappeared from the list of my devices, and this means that the watch is completely unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.